Hey everybody, I'm Gregory Martire, local real estate mentor and coach. Talking today about free leads. So leads are all around you. So what are the quality of leads? Well, free and cheap leads, they can't be any good leads. So a lead has the right DNA, desire, need, and ability, right? Well, what if you have no money and don't want to buy any leads? Or maybe you're cheap like some people we know, hint, hint, wink, wink. But seriously, there are a lot of great ways to get free leads that actually have raised their hand or have some interest. So Craigslist is a wonderful, wonderful tool that is still in use today. Offering something of value to someone for free on a social media platform or social media groups is another great way to get free leads. And I know you've heard me talk about it a lot. I'll say these are cheap, maybe not free, because it does require a little bit more effort on your part. But open houses is an excellent source, even during a pandemic. Lastly, I'll throw in here a bonus is sitting in a Starbucks or in a cafe or in some sort of place where a lot of people show up. Let's say the grocery store cafes are some of the best, with a sign that says, "Ask me about real estate." Put up a sign, buy a cup of coffee, be polite to the staff. They won't mind that you're there. But put a sign, maybe on a 8x10 or 8x11 sheet on the other side of your computer, your laptop that is up. Be productive. Post the sign, "Ask me about real estate." Tell me you don't get some free leads. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you need anything at all, I'm here to help. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Thanks so much for stopping out. Have a great day.